Let us discuss about the aggregates. Aggregates are used in concrete. The aggregates occupy 80% of concrete volume. Aggregates are classified as fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. The aggregates which are passing through the sieve of 4.75 mm, they are called as fine aggregate. The aggregates which are retained on 4.75 mm sieve, they are called as coarse aggregate. The coarse aggregate also, once again, they are classified into different types based on their shape. Based on their shape, they are classified as the irregular aggregates or partly rounded aggregates. These are called as rounded aggregates, which are available in nature directly, and these are called angular aggregates. The aggregates which has angular shapes, we call it as angular aggregates. And we have elongated aggregates. These are the aggregates which are elongated in nature. So when we call the aggregates as elongated, the aggregates are classified as elongated aggregates when their length is 1.8 times the mean size of the aggregates. Suppose the size of the aggregates is 40 mm, the length of the aggregate 40 into 1.8. So that is the length should be 40 into 1.8 mm. So then only we call it as elongated aggregates. So when it is called as a flaky aggregates, see, these are called as flaky aggregates. So this is called flaky aggregates when their least dimension, this is called the least dimension. The least dimension is 0.6 times the size of the mean size of the aggregates. 0.6 times the mean size of the aggregate. The aggregate is 40 mm, 0.6 into 40. That should be the least size. This is called flaky aggregates. And these are elongated aggregates. These are angular aggregates. And these are rounded aggregates. Some aggregates will be having elongated and flaky elongated aggregates. So this is the classification based on the shape. Based on the size, once again they are classifying aggregates into different types. The aggregates which are less than 4.75 mm to 10 mm. These aggregates are 4.75 mm to 10 mm. And these aggregates are used in concrete for lean concreting. Lean concreting, suppose if you want to do the concreting for roof, waterproofing for roof. So in such places when the thickness of concrete is less, we are going to use this type of aggregates of 4.75 mm to 10 mm. So we have another type of aggregates, another size of aggregates which are 10 mm to 20 mm. These aggregates are size 10 mm to 20 mm. Usually these aggregates are used in concrete. We have another type of aggregates which are size 40 mm. We classify them as 40 mm size aggregates, and this is also used in concreting for foundation, especially for foundation base course of foundation, and also the base course of flooring. We use this type of aggregates, and this type of aggregates which is 40 mm size is also used in ballast for railway ballast. So this is how the aggregates are classified into different types. Now why this type of flaky aggregates are being classified? This flaky aggregate should not be there in concrete. So if you have flaky aggregates in concrete, the strength of the concrete will be reduced. Even elongated aggregates also should not be present in the concrete. Flaky aggregates and elongated aggregates should not be present in the concrete. We are going to do the testing of this using an elongation test and a flakiness test.